Good morning. How are you feeling today?
Good morning. I'm not feeling too well, actually. I've had a headache for the past 3 days, and it doesn't seem to go away.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you noticed any other symptoms, like nausea, dizziness, or a fever?
Yes, I've been feeling a bit dizzy, and I'm also experiencing some nausea, but no fever.
I see. Have you taken anything for the headache? Any over-the-counter medications?
I tried taking some ibuprofen, but it didn't really help.
Okay. On a scale from 1 to 10, how severe would you say the pain is?
It's probably around a 6 or 7. It's not unbearable, but it's definitely affecting my daily activities.
I understand. Have you been under a lot of stress lately or had any changes in your routine?
Yes, work has been pretty stressful, and I haven't been sleeping well.
Stress and lack of sleep can certainly contribute to headaches. I'd like to check your blood pressure and do a quick physical exam to rule out any other causes.
Sure, that sounds good.
Your blood pressure is slightly elevated, but nothing too concerning. It's likely that your headache is related to stress and tension. I'll prescribe a stronger pain reliever and recommend some relaxation techniques. It's important to rest and stay hydrated.
Thank you. I'll try to take it easy and follow your advice.
You're welcome. If the headache doesn't improve in a few days or if you experience any new symptoms, please come back to see me.
I will. Thanks again.
Take care and feel better soon.